GitHub shipped these 6 features quietly. No big announcement. No launch event. I found them by accident. And 2 of them completely changed how I use Copilot. By the end, you'll know 6 features that aren't on the Copilot landing page. I'll demo each one live. And stay for the end. When I combine all 6, the result is insane. Most developers use Copilot for 2 things: autocomplete and chat. That's maybe 10% of what you're paying for. Underneath, there's an entire platform. Spaces, extensions, agents, plugins, hooks. None of this is on the landing page. Let me show you what you're missing. Feature 1. Copilot Spaces. This is the context problem solved. You create a space, pin files from multiple repos, add documentation, and Copilot uses all of it as context. No more copying files into prompts. Let me show you. This space bundles context from 4 repos: API routes, database schema, deployment config, and architecture docs, all pinned. When I ask Copilot a question inside this space, it has the full picture. Cross-repo context without switching windows. Game changer for large code bases. Feature 2. Extensions. Third-party agents that live inside Copilot chat. Sentry for error tracking. Datadog for metrics. Launch Darkly for feature flags. You ask your monitoring tools questions directly. No more tab switching. At Sentry, what errors spiked? 47 occurrences of a type error in the user's route. Copilot even suggests the fix, a missing null check on line 34. From chat to root cause in one question. No Sentry dashboard needed. Feature 3. Custom agents. This one is powerful. You create agent definitions in the .github/agents directory. Each agent has its own instructions, its own tools, and its own personality. Your team's domain knowledge, encoded as AI agents. A markdown file. That's all it takes. This agent is a security reviewer. It checks every PR for SQL injection, XSS, exposed secrets, missing validation, and insecure dependencies. It has access to file reading, code search, and security scanners. Deploy this once, and every PR gets a security review. Feature 4. This is the one that surprised me the most. Plugins. /plugin install. And you add community-built tools to your Copilot. No code required. The plugin ecosystem is growing fast. /plugin install. 3 new tools. Now I ask it to optimize my Docker file. Multi-stage build drops the image from 1.2 gigs to 89 megs. Adds a non-root user. Optimizes layer caching. The Docker plugin knows things that base Copilot doesn't. That's the power of plugins. Feature 5. Hooks. This is for teams that need guardrails. Hooks let you enforce policies on everything Copilot does. Block dangerous operations. Require approval for destructive commands. Audit every tool call. Essential for enterprise use. A hooks config file. Pre-tool call. Block any query that touches production databases. Post-tool call. Log every action to an audit file. This is JSON, no code. Your security team defines the rules, and Copilot enforces them automatically. No one accidentally runs a delete on production. Feature 6. The MCP Ecosystem. We covered this in the last episode, but it deserves a spot here because most people still don't know about the registry. Over 100 tool servers. Databases, APIs, SES tools. One config file connects them all. The registry on GitHub. PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Redis, Slack, Linear, Notion, Jira, Figma, Datadog, and 90 more. Browse, search, install. And you can submit your own server via PR. The ecosystem is community-driven and growing every week. Now here's what happens when you combine all 6. Spaces give you cross-repo context. Custom agents encode your team's knowledge. Hooks enforce your policies. MCP connects your tools. Extensions add third-party intelligence. Plugins extend capabilities. Together, that's not a code assistant. That's a platform. This is the vision. Copilot isn't just autocomplete anymore. It's a platform where you plug in context, agents, tools, and policies, and it all works together. GitHub is building toward a world where every team has a custom AI development platform, and the building blocks are already here. 6 features: Spaces, extensions, custom agents, plugins, hooks, and the MCP ecosystem. That's Season 2. 12 episodes. From zero to a fully automated AI dev platform. If you made it this far, you know more about Copilot than 99% of developers. Subscribe. Season 3 is coming, and it's going to be even bigger.